In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Love8 application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you've gone ahead and installed the Love8 application and you're not sure how to use it. So first step here is to open it up. Now just skip through the intro. Now we need to go ahead and sign up or sign into our account. So what I suggest is either signing up with your Facebook account or your Google or your email. Now if you already got an account, simply click on login. So I'm going to sign up with my email address, so my Google account. Now that's going to sign me in and sign me up at the same time. Now from here we need to go ahead and set up your profile, and your profile is visible only to your partner, so to keep that in mind. So if you want to go ahead and change your profile image, you can go ahead and click the camera, and then you can select an avatar or take a selfie or take a photo that's in your mobile device. From here, choose your gender, choose your age, and then click continue. Now on this page here, it states uncover the traits that shape your relationship and achieve your relationship goals better. So tap the view, or if you got to have a code, go ahead and click on match now. Now your partner should have a code that you'll put on, so go ahead and click on have code, and now matching starts with your partner's download. Or you can simply enter your partner's matching code here to match. But if you don't have a partner, what we can do is click on tap to view, and it says, do you have a partner right now? You can say yes or I'm single. So go ahead and choose one of them. For this demonstration, I'm just going to say this one. And then click continue. Actually, it might be easier if I click yes. So I'm going to click on yes. Now, what is the date when you two got together? So put in the date. And now Love8 ensures you never miss any anniversary. So go ahead and click on enable notifications if you want notifications from them, or maybe later. Now, how far away are you from each other? So if you're in different countries, we're in the same country but different cities. So just go ahead and click one that's related to you. Now, what do you mostly want from Love8? So Love8 offers a wide range of features, so please help us determine what you need. So keeping track of their location, try to raise a pet together, instant messaging. So just one of them that best relates. So what I'm going to do is trying to raise a pet together, click continue. Now Love8 helps partners keep their love sweet. So go and click continue again. So they'll ask you, where are you? So get your location when. Then go ahead and click on find my location. Now we might need to allow some settings. So click continue. So we need to go ahead and tap allow all the time. Then from here, we are ready to connect and find your perfect match. So let's go. Now basically matching starts with your partner's download. So this is going to be our code here, and just send that to your partner. So click on send code if you want, and then just send that to your partner, or you can email, WhatsApp, message, whatever. Or as I stated before, you can enter your partner's matching code here and then go ahead and click on match now. So now once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page here. So at the bottom, we've got different tabs. So because I did the pet, we can go ahead. I need to go ahead and add my partner, which I'm not going to do now. We can take an image, not now. Now, if we click onto our user profile, this is where we can edit our profile. And once you add your partner, you can go ahead and review relationship. We can also change notifications. We've got Love8 settings here. Contact them if you like, if you've got any issues. And we've also got authorization management we can do. So as you can see here, I chose the pet thing, so we can raise a pet together, interact and do activities with it. And basically some of the core features is the live location sharing, so you can see where your partner is, how far, battery state, etc. And we've also got special days reminders, so it logs anniversaries, milestones and set reminders. Also we can share day-to-day moments, reflection memories, miss you effects, so send romantic signals effects in the app. There's also widgets, live activities, so some info can show outside the app, for example, lock screen or widget.